Yeah, just put these slats in to raise my potted plants off the ground just a little bit. I did it at night, didn't have time today. Started it, we'll be finishing it. Get some of these plants off this fence just a little bit. But had to cage them off, not because of the squirrels, rabbits, or deer, but because of my retrievers. Ain't that something? But I got the corn in there. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Squash. DIY most of this stuff. Bamboo I found, got from people. So the cage and the plastic top is what I mostly spent my money on. The bulk of it is pots I'd had for a few years. Dollar Tree find to cover my strawberries. Onions, zucchinis, oregano. I got a lot of stuff over here, you know. Some carrots, some thyme, that beautiful, tasty basil. Got some callaloo that's not doing too good. My Caribbean people know what that callaloo is. My green beans. Just took peas out of here. And I planted some more green beans because that's what we mostly eat. We eat a lot of green beans. Even the dogs enjoy green beans, so I got some coming up. They did destroy a few vines earlier, else I would have had a lot more vines. And of course, the little dilapidation of the structure over time. And of course, the dogs. We have watermelon. There's a small variety of watermelon, which is right here. We have about 3 growing in there. I have another vine inside the cage growing. And then we have some Yukon Gold potatoes, I believe. I think we're gonna get a good yield this year. Had to cage it off, of course, from the dogs. This is Cersei bitter melon for my Caribbean people out there. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what that is. Or do I have to say it? Collards. Those bugs love the collards. As you can see, kale. The bugs is not really messing with this kale here. And I got some other kale, which just so happen to be inside of the corn, if that just want to zoom in for you. But that's doing it surprisingly well. It's a purple variety too I had put in, and I got some cucumbers over here starting to fruit. Yeah, this is a little bent, but you know, we make it work. I got some blueberries. I was supposed to put a bag over these blueberries, but we'll do that tomorrow or another day. Got my Cherokee tomatoes. I already harvested one. I got a couple more on the line. I gotta pull this back a little bit, get it off the fence. It was raining real heavy here today. We're supposed to get a lot more rain. Look at that corn stalk all the way up there. It's fertilizing pretty well. We get a couple of ears of corn, that'd be fantastic. And then we have the watermelon. I'm trellising these watermelons just to see what happens. I see I put a little line up on top here. $1.25 Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna let it run until it can't run no more. So I've been coaxing it every time I come out, and I just redirect it to get towards that line. And then from there, it should be able to just go across and hopefully not affect the corn too much. And some squash and regular beefsteak tomatoes right there. I started them off from propagation. So I got 4 in there. I got 1 over here as well. And these were all propagated. And then I got 3 pepper plants over here. 1, 2, 3. And I put some seeds in, and I look like I have some type of zucchini growing with this squash, but I already pulled a very tasty green pepper off of this bush here. We got another one there. It's growing. We had a lot of rain over these last few weeks, and it's been amazing for these plants. I got this chocolate mint. Chocolate mint is a very, 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 very strong mint. I actually like it in my tea just a little bit. I mix it together. This is cantaloupe. I don't think it's hot enough for the cantaloupe to really take off. And I really have not been messing with this bush too much, so it's just really just connecting where it's going to connect. And again, I had to put all this stuff together because my golden retrievers, they do what they do. They had them since puppies, so they're about 7 or 8 months right now. So they're learning. Green stalk onions, which I'm going to cut all of this down actually. I've been growing, this is the 2nd year I've actually got seed from these onion stalks, and I'm going to just pull them. I'm just going to make room, and I'm going to let the strawberries just take over. I got a garlic in there. So, but the strawberries is like really trying to take over. As you can see, the vines are on the fence itself. Those runners are just going every which way. I'm just going to let them do what they do and just see what happens. And also my green beans as well. I'm letting that run and hang down. Then I have these asparagus beans. This is new to me. I'm growing this first time this year. And they're doing pretty well. This pot right here I have is self-watering, where I have a little reservoir at the bottom and it drains out on the side. Just leave it just enough for the roots to just get down in there and do what they have to do, and hopefully no root rot take form, and we'll see what happens. But stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. This is Mardon LLC. Go big or go home. That's my motto. It is what it is. Stay blessed.